morning. In this video I speak about the distribution system. The distribution system is a mechanical system that controls operation of the intake and exhaust valve in an internal combustion engine. The intake valves control the flow of air, fuel mixture, or air alone for direct inject engines into the combustion chamber, while the exhaust valves control the flow of spent exhaust gases out of the combustion chamber once combustion is complete. The function of the distribution system is to control the opening and closing of the valves, and for the other models the full output of the injectors. Most of the heavy-duty diesel engines will work with a 4-valve engines, meaning there are 4 valves in each cylinder, 2 inside and 2 exhausts. The distribution system will using different components based on the type push on or the life out from the valves, allowing air into and out from the cylinder. In the middle of the valves is the injector, which will be pushed down on the inject fuel into the cylinder. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Luis David Rodriguez Mayem. I will talk about parts of the distribution system. Camshaft. The timing and belt pressure of the valve opening events are controlled by the camshaft. To row, use a Harfield shock lock on a rotating shaft. The camshaft is driven by the crankshaft, and in the case of a 4-stroke engine, it rotates at half the speed to the crankshaft. Push rod. Push rods are long, slender metal rods that are used in overhead valve engine to transfer motion from the camshaft. Camshaft located in the engine block to the valve located in the cylinder head. Rocker arm. Depending on the design used, the valves are actuated by the rocker arm or bucket tappet. Overhead camshaft engine use finger or bucket tappet or opened which the cam lock contact. Valve. The valves are typical open by the camshaft. By the camshaft, lock or rocker arm, and closed by the coil spring are called valve spring. And the valve spring, the valves are mechanical opening. The valve spring are mechanical open by the camshaft via belt lifter, or closed by the valve spring. Thanks.
My name is Jonathan Joel Mazariego Sosol. I will talk about the overhead valve distribution system. The overhead valve distribution system is distinguished by having the camshaft in the engine block and the valve in the cylinder head. The advantage of this system is that the transmission of movement of the crankshaft to the crankshaft is done directly by means of 2 sprockets. The disadvantage is given by the large number of elements that make up the system, which bring with some that cause failure in the distribution. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and class. My name is Héctor Emmanuel González Chemalé, and I am going to talk about of the overhead camshaft engine (OHC) engine and single overhead camshaft engine (SOHC) engine. Okay, OHC engine stands for overhead camshaft engine. After the camshaft positioned in the cylinder head above of the combustion chamber. Valves are located in the roof of the combustion chamber to offer the same combustion related advantage as OHB engine. SOHC engine stands for single overhead camshaft engine. Camshaft is situated over the cylinders of the engine. Placing lobes of the camshaft directly on the rocker arms. For the engine intake and exhaust valves, the SOHC engine opposite to OHB engine. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Brandon Manuel Morales Acche. My topic is the OHC system. The OHC or dual overhead camshaft. The thing includes two camshafts for every row of cylinder head. For single cylinder engine, will have two camshafts. However, if it's V6, it will have four camshafts. For each row the engine head, one of the camshaft handles the intake valve, while the second one handles the exhaust valve. The four valves per cylinder setup allows better braking for the engine and better performance in most cases, making the OHC of choice for the engine that need to rev higher. The OHC setup also allows for putting the spark plug back in the middle of the cylinder head, which facilitates better combustion and enhance performance and fuel efficiency in the engine. The important part of the OHC system is the arm valves, timing belt, camshaft, and crankshaft. Thank you.